In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process payments using QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner or managing finances for a larger company, QuickBooks offers a user-friendly interface that makes tracking your financial transactions smooth and simple. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to receive payments and record them, ensuring your books are always up to date and accurate. First, you want to start by navigating to the QuickBooks homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter QuickBooks' URL. This will bring you to their user-friendly homepage, which is designed to keep all of your financial tasks organized in one place. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the option that says Receive Payment. This button is crucial for recording any incoming payments from your clients. By clicking this option, you'll be directed to the payment processing section. Now, you need to specify which customer's payment you're receiving. QuickBooks will give you an option to select a customer from your contact list. This is extremely useful when managing multiple clients, as you can track each client's transactions separately, ensuring clarity and organization in your records. After selecting the correct customer, it's time to choose the payment method. QuickBooks provides various options, allowing you to accommodate different types of payments, whether your customer opts for cash, a check, or an electronic payment. For this demonstrative purpose, let's select the option for credit card. This is a popular choice as many customers prefer the convenience of credit card payments. QuickBooks makes processing credit card transactions straightforward and efficient, saving you time and hassle. Next, you'll need to enter the amount of the payment. Make sure to type in the exact amount due from your customer. Being accurate with this step is important as it ensures your financial records reflect true transaction values, which is essential for your bookkeeping. Finally, after confirming all the details, go ahead and click on Save and Close. This action will record the transaction in your QuickBooks account and update your accounts automatically. The Save and Close feature is not only a time saver, but also a great way to make sure everything is final and correctly updated in your QuickBooks ledger. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded a customer payment in QuickBooks. This method keeps your financial management efficient and organized, so you can spend more time focusing on your core business operations. Be sure to visit this walkthrough whenever you need a refresher on receiving payments, and continue to explore QuickBooks' many features to streamline your accounting tasks. Thank you for watching, and have a great day managing your business finances with QuickBooks.